Hey there, money-savvy friends. Are you ready to learn all about financial literacy? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be diving into what financial literacy is and why it's so important. But that's not all. We'll also be giving you some hot tips and tricks to becoming a financial wizard. First things first, what is financial literacy? It's simply the ability to understand and manage your money effectively. It includes knowing how to budget, save, invest, and plan for your future. Having strong financial literacy skills can help you achieve your financial goals and avoid money pitfalls. But why is it important? Well, let's imagine a scenario. You want to save up for a big trip overseas, but you're not sure how to budget or save. Without good financial literacy skills, you might struggle to make that trip a reality. But with strong financial literacy skills, you'll be able to budget, save, and make that trip a reality. And who doesn't love traveling? Let's imagine another scenario. Meet John. John is a young adult who earns $50,000 a year. He has good financial literacy skills and knows how to budget, save, and invest his money. John is able to pay his bills, save for emergencies, and invest in his future. Now, meet Jane. Jane also earns $50,000 a year, but she has poor financial literacy skills. She spends most of her money on non-essential items and struggles to pay her bills each month. Jane has little savings and no investments. Over time, John is able to save money and invest it wisely. He is eventually able to buy a home and save for retirement. Jane, on the other hand, continues to struggle financially. She accumulates debt and finds it hard to pay her bills. This example shows us how important financial literacy can be for an individual's financial well-being. By having the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed decisions about money, John was able to achieve his financial goals and avoid financial problems. On the other hand, Jane's lack of financial literacy skills led to financial insecurity and difficulties. Jane's situation can be carefully avoided with good financial literacy skill. Now, here's the exciting part. By sticking around on our channel, we'll be giving you regular doses of financial education so you can become a financial rock star. We'll be covering topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and much more. Not only that, we'll be presenting this information in a fun, engaging way, using real-life examples and addressing common questions and concerns. And you can be confident in your newfound financial knowledge and skills. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and join us on our journey toward financial literacy. Remember, becoming financially literate can help you achieve your dreams and live your best life. And now, we'll see you in the next video.